You like a new car, Emma? Yeah, Emma, you come buy car, Emma. Emma, come buy car. You come buy car, Emma. Eh? Your mommy get car no? You not hear me. Emma not hear me. Emma listen to her headset. Steering and something.
Look, Mama.
All of that. Emma the in the box.
This was what I took him.
Yeah, sleeping there. Woo. Nice. Well, you put seats, you know, watch out. Front seat. Them seats around and so then some more seat around and so. And so it look like I want to seat this year, so
yeah,
it's
it's a
no,
seat.
no trouble, it make it stay. Then little space just so.
Anytime when you want me to hide from police, I do.
Hide from which police? Who in the business to hide from police? Right, yeah, girl. Alright, come out now. Walk out the things and come out. I eat this here so far. At night, now we just reached Sheen. Just actually reached Sheen. Eat that this so.
Mommy, where's the man?
Eat that this so nice and clean. Nice wheels and thing. Really big too, spacious man. You see me? Ooh, you lock me up meat. This is the inside. You know, how nice little seat cover this so. Steering and something. Mazda C-Class. Alright. Yeah. Hit that deso. Nice little seat and thing. Going on the other side. It's the other side, yeah, so. Spacious man. Seat and thing. Actually. Nice. We need to get some seat cover for them here as well. Then we run at the back here, some more seat and something. It's a really spacious man. And then that one other seat but it down. So we get the car. So one other day we put it up and clean out it. Yeah man, look good. On a new brand car, but it look good and feel good. So far later, bring it to the mechanic and so make them check out some of the things them on it.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
What you gonna do?
Today we're going to unbox this.
Yeah, gonna put it in the car to hold the phone. Yeah. All right. What meet now, Emma?
Let me just try to figure out how to open it.
All right.
Then I have superpowers.
Yay!
Look, what's in this? Let's see what this is first. Looks like we have to fix it.
Yeah. So this is the part to put the phone in.
Yes. Now let me see what this is. Look, there's
Guess that's the part that attach in the back. So see if you can pull. No, this part. See if you can pull up that part. Alright. Too strong for you.
Oh yeah.
Alright. Hold it. Hold it just like that. Fine. Then you put it in this. And then finish with it on.
Yeah.
That's it. See it now? It's on, it's strong. Alright, so
What's this?
this part is where we're gonna find somewhere to put it on, anywhere for this to stick on it.
So can we try?
Wait, there is a part missing. Alright, no, it's here. So this is the part missing.
Well, it looks
So this
like
is it's gonna lay in this like that. So let's try set that up somewhere up here. So this now we're gonna put it this way. So we position it like that. Let me see where closer we can put it. Maybe something like that. It open now, then it lock. So now we position the phone, but see phone a drop. I guess we tighten this. Oh, very good. So that pan there you can tighten it. And you can have the phone there, so you can see your GPS and your thing, do what you do right there. So this for now good right here. So while driving we are gonna see if we can improve it a little. If we need to move it, we're gonna move it. But for now, you know that this is good fit right here. So we're actually on the road right now and we're testing the setup. KFC! And the setup is pretty good right here. Alright everyone. Today me and Emma will install our car seat. Ooh. We get a Walmart seat here. A big car seat. We're going to install it today. Yes, this.
We're getting in a fight. I need to open you.
Tired already? Kinda hard for what Mr. Gano. We need one knife or something. Use the car key for what we need, yeah. So alright, we get the car key. We're gonna open it with it, Emma. Alright.
Mommy, this side and this side.
Yeah, alright. Hold up your powder, yeah, very good. Very good, Emma, yeah. Kind of watch on YouTube video how we install it already, this exact one. So we're gonna get that done here now. Let's press that pan, this seat around here, so for now. Let me see if we take out this other thing as well. So we're gonna pull this. See Emma, yeah? My face not in the video because we are trying to focus on this. Let me say also if we move the headrest on the seat. See? Went ahead and move the headrest on the seat. Alright, what else then have to do, Emma? I never watch a video.
I didn't watch a bit of it.
Alright, so then this have to move this, push it up here, so. Before they said that, then this time if you find, yeah, this way, locking on the back here, so, and remove it. This thing. So we're going to take off this runner, so. Yeah. And put it round on the back here, so. That's how them say. So that now lock till later. Round on the back there, so now. See it here, what you not going with? Emma, where are you, Emma?
I'm putting a mask on this.
Oh God. Alright. Emma, time, you know. Alright. Jump in on the seat now. Let me see what I go on for you. Oh shit. Look up your hand. Alright, Emma, go jump in on the seat now. Alright. See, say? Alright, wait there. See, Emma in a seat here now.
I'm trying to get cold.
Which simple mean, wait, yes, it's difficult. Which means, say, you know, fix for you yet. Because the shoulder part, too low. And then here, so too close. So we're going to move it up. We're going to move it up to one of these holes up here, so. And then we adjust it. So get up. We could try adjust that for Emma's size. Zimmy.
Guys, bye. I'm going to go ride the cow.
Ride which cow? Alright. the car. Alright. You gotta figure out how to move this one now.
While I'm driving the car.
And then that is that. Me can see say we move this and something, so that me I go do. Guess what? We can't find Emma. Emma disappear. Me no know where Emma gone. We there put in the car seat. Me no know where Emma gone. Watch her slippers or where Emma could have gone. So where Emma? Where Emma there? Look for Emma. Look for Emma in a box. Where are you in the box, girl?
I'm hiding from you.
Hiding? You need to come out. Russia. You see? A little bit there, you see? Alright, Emma, I'm gone again. I have to go fix up this thing.
Yes.
Alright, we're back at it again. So, yeah, Emma figure it out.
I think we should put this thing into this hole.
Alright, put it in.
I'm trying, but it can't fit. It's hard.
It's hard? Alright, let me see. Woo! That was hard. Alright, we move this. Watch YouTube video how to move this. And we do that part there. Emma, they have to help me push her hand in the car. My hand is too big. Put her hand in there. Woo. Alright, what else we do now, Emma? Me think, see
Yeah,
one more,
Mommy,
yeah?
look. I see one more hole. I mean, two more holes.
Alright, see some down and so. I think them are going to so.
I'm going to try to flip this one by myself, and if I need help, come on.
Enough strength, Emma, enough strength.
Oh no, I broke my finger.
Alright, let's do it, Tessie. Yeah, so we move this to the right part. See, shoulder part there. So yeah, so this nice as well. No, another part. That part will go in there.
Can I say put
Wait,
it in?
wait, I can fix it good first. Yeah. Then that this so
Done.
done. Yeah, then this will go in this way. Very good. So now that we clip in it, you see how we look?
Yeah.
Loosey. They must say, see this here? This is how we draw now. I'll strap it in there. Where you going so far? Like you can't choke it, a choke you. If it a choke you, I may do that. I may see it there? Loose neat back a little, but you have to tie it. You can't loose. See there? Emma snug fit.
Mommy, I'm getting kidnapped.
Emma said she get kidnapped. Nobody not kidnap you. Sit down. Sure.
I'm stuck.
Sit down, Emma. Nobody not kidnap you.
You guys better help me.
Alright, so this is good for Emma. What I like about it is that it fit her foot nicely here, so even though she's so tall, and then this also go far up, it can adjust as well. See it there? Ooh, how you bring it back down? Me no know, but there must be a way to bring it back down. I'm not sure about the way there yet.
Am I stuck?
But me know say this is how me use to bring it up, and Emma tall, so it really makes sense for her. Me I gonna bring it back down a little bit, so this part cover our head really well, so it gonna come down a little bit more closer to our shoulder. For now, this is it right now. Emma on our car seat.
Like.
Yeah, but before me even done, me have to go put in something in at the back, one something the in at the back with me have to attach. Me have to attach it pan. See me?
Do it need tiny hands?
We're not done yet, you know, Emma.
What?
We have to put the seat belt through it, and we do. we better just sit there for the back, Emma. It look like you are. See, there's something I'm not attached on the back yet. Climb around there, come help me attach you.
Mommy, I
You can't move. Alright, weird. Stand up. Keep it there. Fully. See there? Because you have to go learn to attach this by yourself, you know. Press that and then come out.
Okay.
See Emma there?
I'm trying.
If you can, lefty. Alright. See the waist? See there? And then after that, this one now. We draw up the thing and make it tight. Draw up the thing and make it tight.
Ooh, I'm a
And then you open it, this thing start moving, you know.
Ooh, I'm a goat. Ooh, I'm a goat.
Draw that up.
Goat.
Come water bag and come from around.
I'm a goat. Boo.
So this is on the seat, you know. I really like how that stay on the seat, you know. Alright, maybe that better now. The way that going back.
Guys, you trapped me. Oh no, I'm scared.
Alright, now Emma, come around. We could do the other part. Watch out. Okay, Emma. Pitney. Look here. And stop your play. Come out, good man. You put them so dirty. Can you walk out the door without your slippers?
Ow.
In the car and something. Carry on yourself. Alright, so I think the last thing to do, where the seat belt upon the side, Emma. This is seat belt on your side here. So this we are going to use. Come down. Hold the seat belt for me. So what we are going to do, that's how we didn't keep you so walk man. Because I think let's say, take them out here wheel, move this out here wheel,
Press this.
take that out here wheel. You know if you press that. I know you never watch the video. So we definitely open that there so wait. So the seat belt itself, I'm gonna go through the side here so I think. Ooh. I think so, you know. Wait, let me see if I read it. That's how I go on this so.
And might be like, Mommy, I just figure out a hidden path.
Alright, leave it. Boy, figure out. Alright. See some instruction upon the side.
I see instructions. Mommy.
Very good. That's how if you put it through. Take the seatbelt through your side there, Emma.
Where? Got it.
Alright. Then we put the seatbelt through under this. Make sure they go under this. Let it go now, yeah. Dry it. Let me help you dry it out. Alright, hold it so. Put it through this one here so we open. Just to make sure it go through there. Then push it back through the hole over there so. Let me help you dry it out. Put it back through the hole so and buckle it in a seatbelt part where if you go. Hold it.
Seatbelt. Where is it?
Oh, you would normally put on your seatbelt.
Oh, like this in there?
Yay! You buckle it good. Alright now, so we're gonna dry it up now to make this stretch come out of it. Alright, so once you make sure say stretch come out of it, we're gonna put it, let's see what I'm gonna go and feed here. So I think we're gonna put it together and lock it. Help me lock it now, Emma. Alright, that's the bottom. Whew. And this guy top.
I can help.
Push that up. Very good. You see that? That I eat this and all. No.
And now we have to
No. Yeah, girl.
Oh no!
You know have its strength.
Yes, I do. You.
Alright, go on, make us see. Alright.
I have the strength.
Alright,
I
girl.
have the strength. I have the strength.
Yes, you have the strength. Alright, push.
I have
Make
the
sure say. Wait. Make sure say it over it. Push it now. You just have to make sure say over it. Push. Now push with your finger. Try to push with your hand. Okay, if you try that, it will hurt your finger.
Oh my god, this is not meant for me.
Sometimes my strength beat you, girl.
I ditched way.
Have you have enough strength?
Mom.
Alright, see then now. It's hard for me too, you know.
Ow. Ow.
Hurt my finger, so it's really hard. Yeah, girl, finally, we're done. See Emma car seat here, so she's safe while we are travel. Because we're going to drive 42 hours. Can you believe that? We're in California right now, San Jose, California.
Now
We're going to
try
drive
it
back.
out.
Wait, we have to put this back.
Yeah.
We took out some stuff. We're going to put them in back first. Let me see what else in this video.
Maybe we can put it.
Alright, figure out how you would put in this. This you go in. What do you think that put in? Alright. Alright, girl. Alright, girl. Hey, girl. Hey, you not say. That means you still go in then, man. So right, that's so good enough. Smart. Yeah, girl. Smart. Figure out in the other one. I think the one they go in. No? Yeah. But I saw that go in. What do you think you go in? Yeah, almost get it when you put it up there, so. Almost get it. Oh, yeah, girl. Yeah, girl. See how you put it in, but you have to know. You have to go lock it. You have to go lock it under this, so now you have to push it under here, so.
Oh, no, yes, sir?
Wait, let me see how which way we do it. Yes, right under this, so.
I'm going to try to grab it.
So you're going to push it under, yes, and you're going to lock it with this. You got it?
I think.
Very good. So, alright, I could try if you adjust this thing now. If you fit your head. The shoulder. Alright. We have to go watch a YouTube video or if you adjust it up and down. Because right now, I don't know if you adjust it, if you carry it down. The head, one to carry it down a little bit more. So, Emma head can fit in there good. Me like say you can adjust on something. Watch Emma. Me nor you don't know if you do this right now, so me are going to research it.
I'll drop it.
And come back. Me find it out, Emma, me find it out.
Bye.
Me not even, me there try to search some video, but me not find none. Come in and eat again, make we fix it.
Drive.
Drive away. Come in.
I'm going to
Fix everything well. Take out this something. So me kinda there test out with it and then me figure out it. Never
Mommy,
so hard.
Mommy, remember what I told you? Mommy,
Just make it stay. Make it
stable.
yeah, make it stay. Just lean back on your head, me and try. You see it there now? Emma head, Emma tall, so see it there, me think lean back. Think this is a good fit for Emma right here, and she's strapping on something protect her head. Me think say this is the best fit. Well, no think, let me know. Carry it up a little bit more. Yeah. So she good. Alright, come out of it now, Emma. So them say if you test it and if you move it from side to side, if it move more than 1 inch, we adjust it more. So that good right there, so you not move too much. That means it's strapping.
Mommy, I'm going
Very
to
good.
actually ride the car.
Sure. Go on and run it, Emma. Go on and run. Hey, no. Give me my key.
I want to do
Try drive the car without the key. I want you to go pick the man.
Can I put this
Girl.
back? If I put it back, is it going to ride?
Don't touch nothing at all for the car. Just drive.
PCD.
Sure. Yeah,
Well,
girl.
thank you for watching. Subscribe.
So this is it for the video. We done set it up on everything. Yeah. See it there. Emma ready? Nice, ready to go. Let me know if you don't have no suggestion and we can do to improve this or fix this. We're going to drive in a couple days, so we'll make sure so she all set and comfortable and everything ready to go, safe and secure. Take off the headrest and something as I said before. Yeah, so yeah girl, yeah. Alright, see the view of the car again. Watch him. You can't hide it. Look at girl. So, get up from there. See there, that we are going with you. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Emma, get the back there, no mash up here. Before you want to carry back your seat. Alright.
We can just tell the manager our dog ate it.
Emma, yeah man. See there. Alright. Later.